Okay, everyone, so I'm running into a crisis. I haven't coded in 2 days. Why? Because of this piece of shit. She fucking sucks. I've been trying to log into GitHub via Linux beta on a fucking Chromebook. Chromo fucking S, bro. I wanna shoot myself. Anyway, I had to whip out the old big dude. My 2008 24-inch Mac desktop. I'm gonna sell it, and I'm gonna sell her. In order for me to even fucking continue, because like, again, like, you know, what's the point of coding every day if VSCode isn't going to, you know, sign into GitHub so that like, you know, like at least like it'll show my commits and everything. Like there's no point. Obviously I'm still going to, you know, write my code on here until tomorrow. Of course, I'm going to do some research on, you know, if I should go with PC or Mac, and if PC, the best PC, if Mac, you know, the best specs. So that's kind of where we are today. By the way, quick appearance change. My regular glasses broke. You got my emergency glasses now, so fun stuff. Fun fact about them, I got them at a thrift store. I got these a few years ago. They're like $2 at a thrift store. See how it says USS? These are vintage Army issue glasses.
Oh my God, does Nimay look at least somewhat presentable? Yeah, hi guys.
My child works for MailChimp. God damn it. I'm fucking jealous of your child. Man, I thought Grid and Flexbox were hard. JavaScript is worse. You know, it's hard, but you know, the whole thing is just, you just have to understand it. So of course, you know, I'm just gonna drill and drill and drill and see, you know, how much more I can drill. I'm gonna drill until I'm thinking of this shit in my sleep. And I'm not doing this because I have no option. I do have options, but I want to do this. Like, I like doing this, you know? I like sitting down coding and seeing, oh my God, I made this, you know, like it's great. You know, it's fun. I know I enjoyed it back in college and I enjoy it now. And of course, you know, I also enjoy learning new skills. I'm looking forward to learning JavaScript so, you know, I can jump into React and, you know, different frameworks. This is really, it's mentally stimulating for me. So it is something that I do enjoy. And also being able to overcome the challenges. Like right now, I'm just like, man, like, cause like, you know, before Grid and Flexbox, I was like, oh my God, like what? And now I have an understanding. I have an understanding, an adequate enough understanding. And if I run into a roadblock, when I do, Stack Overflow, easy. So, you know, it gets easier over time. HTML, breeze, you know, majority of CSS, breeze, CSS, Flexbox, I'm good with it now. I'm good with it. I'm not where I was, you know, a week and a half ago going, you know, like I'm good with it, you know? Hopefully I will get here with JavaScript. Right now I'm doing what? Scoping, block scope, all that stuff. And yeah, right now I'm 22% through my JavaScript course and I just need to study more. I just need to study. So yeah, study.